Hello, I'm here with Quincy. He is also in the welding class, and I'm here to ask him a few more questions. So Quincy, why did you decide to take welding?
I decided to take welding because it takes a lot of patience, and other than the money that is really good, not a lot of people like to do it because of how hot it gets. So you got to be able to take the heat.
So what kind of safety procedures do you practice here in welding? I know you have to wear the safety glasses. What other things do you go through to make sure you don't get hurt?
Well, normally we use the double eye protection if we're grinding and if we're, welding. So anything that does get beyond your shield, you still have your glasses, and, your coat protects you. Most of the time nothing's really going to get through. Always wear pants, always wear boots.
Closed-toed shoes?
Closed-toed shoes.
Yeah. So, what are you working on right now? It looks really interesting.
Oh yeah, we're working on the firefighters emblem right now. We're doing a couple of them, so they're gonna paint it, and we're grinding them down, filing them down, and a couple other people are doing their projects. So
what have you worked on previous to the fireman projects?
I've worked on some different little plates, small passes, 70-18. Basically, it's an electrode that has a much thicker puddle and has more tension strength, so it doesn't break.
So I wanted to ask you, I know this is our temporary home. This is where we're going to be staying until October. Everybody's really excited about the Cate Center. How do you feel about being able to take welding with all the new technology that's going to be there?
Boy, it's finna be fire. We're gonna have so much more space. We have a lot more to work with. We don't have to. Right here we're working with what we got. We're getting what we need to get done. But that Cate Center is gonna be phenomenal.
So it's gonna help you out a lot with your projects.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, that's great. Well, thank you so much for your time.
No problem.